What is up, Algebros? Today is our first lesson video.
So, just a reminder, when the square is perfect, you have to keep going and you don't do the division. So, let's say this equation for the potato gives us. We're probably not gonna get nice numbers for our solutions.
We're back. I got my iPad taken. Doing some homework. See, look at Landon. We're over there studying. And then look at Jackson over here. The little kid, the aura. The Christian. Nobody knows what he's doing. We couldn't do the lesson video because my iPad got taken. So what? No, yeah, I stopped it. Wait, do we have a sponsor?
Yes.
We're sponsored by the Jackson MacBook. Are you looking at that?
Yes, sir. Best, new MacBook. This is the newest one, 2028 edition. I got it 2 years early.
Use code Algebros20.
Use code Algebros20 at beemer.com.
And they're coming out this week with the 2009. Wait, I think I'm gonna get 11.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna get a new one last week. Jackson, you can get it.
No, well, I got this.
Hey,
I got this tomorrow.
hey, but Christian, let's shush the glass. Let's shush the glass. Shush the glass.
So this is the part that we gotta fix. So when you put the square root, you gotta ask this one.
No, it worked. Is Landon Mr. Posture now? Yes, sir, boys. You doing our homework?
Beamer the cup truck, sir.
Put out the house. Look at Landon.
So, Andrew, how's your day going?
Good. Today I just worked on and went to school.
Get your work done?
Yeah. Hey, Jackass. You laughing at me? If she's not laughing, she's nice. No, well, I said you're nice. You're not.
What you gonna do today, Andrew?
I'm going to Lifetime.
Your lifetime?
Yeah. And work out. Play basketball. Oh, what about you, Jackson? What about you?
Today, it's a nice day, so I might go on a bike ride, and then I might play basketball, and then I might play the game, and then I'll probably cook up on band lab, cook up a beat, and then probably go to sleep.
Beamer, how was your day?
It's not a good mood today. Beamer, how's French class going?
Alright, wait, we need another sponsor.
Andrew's base. Beamer socks. Come on, Beamer, show them your feet.
Alright, we're not sponsored. We're sponsored by Andrew's Base. Look at that.
Look at that. Show them the back.
Oh.
See, that's a hair.
50%
That's
off.
a hair right there. That's a
If you
hair.
use code Algebros.
Use code Algebros/Beamer at checkout.
Slash classes,
Slash lad, slash Jewish, slash.
Alright, Andrew,
Right.
outro.
Alright. And that wraps it up later on the bros.